This video series is in collaboration with Southwark Council's Streets for People project. To lock your bike securely, we recommend a D-lock and an extender cable. Hello and welcome to Community Cycleworks How-To videos. In this short clip, we're going to show you the best way to lock your bike up to ensure the safety and security of it. So first of all, we're looking for a nice open public space to be able to secure our bike, ideally with a bike rack like here. The reason for this is if they're out in public and it's quite a busy thoroughfare, then it reduces the chances of thieves being able to work on your bike unobserved, and it's a deterrent. The other thing we need to be aware of is when we're using a rack like this, to just make sure and test it, make sure it's not being cut or sliced and hasn't got tape over the edge. That can be something that's been used before. So we'd recommend using a D-lock like this. This has got a nice long shackle, which means we can get the majority of the bike within the shackle and therefore increase the security of our bike. First of all, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that we do see people securing their bikes that's not always the best way. So around here is good. Through a wheel may look good and seem secure. The issue is that by unclipping the brakes and undoing the wheel, we can take the bike away and leave the wheel. So the thief has got the majority of the bike that they can then break for parts or they can sell. Okay, likewise, the other way we do not want to lock our bike is around the rack, but just through the frame like this. The reason for this is it leaves the two wheels vulnerable to theft, which are the second most expensive parts of your bike. So the best way for us to secure this bike with our D-lock is through the back wheel and around the rack, like so. So this way, part of the shackle is within the rear triangle and the wheel is secured not through the spokes, which could be cut, but through the actual rim here, and the bike is nice and secure. If we want to increase the security of this even more, we could use a cable to secure the front wheel through the shackle, or we can remove the front wheel and add it to the lock. I'll show you that way. Some bikes have nuts at the axle instead of a quick release, and this makes it more secure to leave, and therefore you don't need to remove your front wheel and put it with the back, or if you don't have an extender cable, you can leave your front wheel in. Some bike thieves will still have the tools to be able to take the front wheel, so the best scenario is to use a D-lock with an extender cable and just lash it through your front wheel. So the ideal way to secure a bike with a quick release front wheel is with a D-lock and an extender cable like this. And this is how we attach it. to remove the wheel on this bike, as you've seen in the other videos, just need to unclip the cable like so. If you've got a disc brake, then you don't need to worry, as it will just slide out. Then we reach forward, undo our quick release on this wheel, and then we're just going to undo that slightly so that it clears these tabs. Gently lift my wheel up and out, place my bike down, and then I'm going to put my back wheel next to my frame here, like so. So now we've got our wheel next to our frame, we're now ready to lock. So around the post, through the wheel and the frame, and around the front wheel, ready to secure. It's secured not through the spokes but through the rim and through the frame and the bike here too. And that increases our chance of the bike being here when we return. Thank you for watching.